somewhere on the side of the road in Oklahoma. Found a bone? No, I found a bone. It's gonna be a good day. Found a waterfall in Oklahoma. It's man-made, but it's there. Probably not very exciting, but it's not all flat. Downtown Enid, Oklahoma, where Nora and I are hanging out. We're gonna go into the coffee shop and play on the internet here in a minute. Maybe I can get you some cute little southern accent when I go to the coffee shop. I talked to the girl over the phone and she had a pretty good one. So maybe she'll work the counter for us and get a little candid camera going on. Here it is. Oklahoma, Enid, Oklahoma. Oklahoma, there's it's cold right now, man. I'm glad I'm not up in Kansas, because if it's this cold down here, I can't imagine how cold it is up there. So, we're just taking our time. We're doing about 70 miles a day right now, so it's a little bit more, but I did a lot less in Colorado, so it'll average out to 50. Get to Florida sometime around, I don't know, December. There's an Indian. Bones. Ah! Where's he going? Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Walmart dog, let's go. So which one you want, huh? Which one you want? Hey, where you going? Walmart. Nice. We're gonna try the Walmart again. Man, it's cold and windy. There's a light there and a light there. Maybe it'll be dark over there. Check it out, Nora. Walmart provides, huh? Walmart provided. Look at all those bones, man. You can be okay with that many bones? These videos have gotten boring lately. Boring. I talk with no G's anymore. These videos, can't talk period. If these videos have gotten boring lately, don't blame me. I'm in Oklahoma. I haven't seen a bar. I've seen one liquor store. One Starbucks. And a whole hell of a lot of churches. Pork in the back of a Jeep. Yeah. Pork in the back of a Jeep. Dinner time. I think I'm sleeping with a big rig tonight. This guy just pulled into the Walmart parking lot. Could be a party. Hey Nora, you want to trade in your Walmart bone for this pork bone? It's fresh cooked. You want this? Yeah, okay. A little better? No matter what, you gotta always eat good. Eating good just keeps a person happy, huh? That's not true. But I do like to eat good.